Guys, my next call is a two-story house with two systems and nothing is working. I have been there before and it looks like some jack legs been working over there. But now they want me to go check it out because downstairs nor upstairs is working. Here it comes. Stay tuned. It looks like... We have arrived and I have figured out who's living here. I thought this was one of the biggest people I've ever seen. And it's a former football player. He played for Georgia Tech and went on to play in the NFL for 9 years. Let's start with the only one that's running. I'm not sure that compressor's running. It don't really sound like it. If it is, it ain't working. It ain't pulling any load. I do think I hear it running. Yeah, it's running. That thing felt like it had oil on it, on the bottom. Before I go hooking anything up, we're going to do a leak search. Look back there. I see a bunch of oil. Yeah, we got something leaking in this area. Let's see if we can't pinpoint it. Okay, so something around here is leaking. I can just see all the oil. I've already searched this TXB pretty good and I haven't. Hold on a sec. Could that be it? That got up pretty high. I know that with these leak detectors, you gotta be right on a leak for it to find it, so it helps to move slow. Everything here is caked in oil. Let's let that reset a few times. Reset. Reset. think we found our leak. It looks like it's leaking around that power head. Forgive me, I feel like I got something in my throat. That does look like it'd be kind of easy to change. Dryers right there. All right, we know what we need to do on this one. All right, let's move on to this disaster of an installation. Let's go inside and see if we can turn it on. All right, they gave me a key, but that ain't working. That ain't budging. Let's try this door. Oh, how about that? That lock's in upside down. Knock, knock! Climate control! Hello! To hurry on around here because if that fan's not running, it'll go out on thermal overload quick. Starting to ice up. I need to check that blower. our blower's not working. I'm gonna go ahead and go in and turn this off and just turn the blower on. All right, got the blower set to come on. We get to check an X13 motor. All right, that's going to be my low voltage. This is going to be my high voltage. Just a couple things I'm looking for, and then we may have to ohm out this motor. I did a video yesterday of the heat strips that are attached to the motor on a Carrier product. Well, that's kind of how they do it now. They're still attached to the motor, just like that on the back side. All right, first we're going to test voltage. We want to make sure we're getting 240. Y'all see what I'm testing here? I'm testing between yellow and black. This is going to be a ground. This green is a ground, and this brown here is your 24 volts common. So we know we're getting 240 volts. So we need to check between here and any one of these, there's 3 of them, and see if we're getting 24 volts. And you see right there, we do. So that motor's supposed to be turning. Now we got to see if it's the motor or this module. I do have power to the unit. I have not killed it, but disconnected power here. Man, that thing is on there. Oh, there we go. I have made the mistake of leaving this, my 240 volts, plugged to this right here, and I touched that coil right there, and oh Lord, let me tell you, that was some kind of hurt right there. It was a long time ago, but I still remember it. All right, now we're going to be checking ohms to ground. And like I said, this is your ground, that green right there. So when you remove this, you have removed your ground. So you have to check on this frame right here to ground. Hold on. I got nothing to ground. Now I need to ohm out the windings. There's 3 options here. 14.2. 14.4. And my last option, 14.06. That is good. They are very similar. Nothing to ground. There's nothing wrong with that motor. We need a new module. I gotta halfway put this back together and see if I can get one. Yeah, I'm looking for just the module.
Okay, one moment.
I'm just going to point out how this is wired. This is for my contactor. These are for my heat strips. I guess we could hook to that. That would be terrible though. Honestly, these right here are for a single power source hookup. If you have like a 60 amp breaker, you can hook this to there and use these wires to go to your contactor. But y'all see what they basically don't have heat strips. I mean, they're installed, but they need a whole new I need a new whip. Hey guys, I'm at another one of my suppliers, engineering and equipment. Those people that I just left are going to have to do without for two reasons. I'm quoting a new system from these guys, and the other one, the vendor that sells that equipment normally don't stock parts for them, and that should be something I could fix today, but I can't do it until next Tuesday because they have to order it. That's one reason I normally don't buy equipment from them, and I do buy it, here we go, from these guys, because they do have parts. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Do buy it.